Every product that you see around you today is Chinese chips. When Modi ji came in, he said, I want an attendance machine in every central government office. Each of those attendance machines were Chinese. Each of them had Chinese chips. 2 years ago, an intelligence agency was asked to look at them, and they found all the data has gone back to China. All CCTVs all over the country, every street is known to the Chinese today because every CCTV has Chinese chips. We have no single Indian phone in this country. Very sad state of affairs.
Even though they're manufactured here?
Yeah, those manufacturing is all nonsense.
It's just putting it together.
That is all screwdriver technology. When a Apple phone or a Samsung phone is made in India, the kits come from China. They are screwdrivered and sent.
How big a role can government play in helping homegrown Indian tech product go global?
We should aggregate all the government demand and give it to Indian companies. All the telecom business of China was given to Huawei. They were given credit limits by the Chinese government.
Which companies in India can do that?
None.
At this stage?
Because the government does not support like this at all to anybody. Why can't we make Tejas and Tata's the largest company in the world? We can, because Americans will trust us. Europeans will trust us. They will not trust the Chinese.
Global tech firms have started laying off people in 2025.
60% of our economy is based on services, which is very, very dangerous. We should now move towards being a product nation in everything that we do. We
Manufacture on a what scale?
Design and manufacture. I think.
But isn't there a firewall?
I'll tell you what the Chinese are doing. They rebrand their products as Singapore
Vietnamese
products. Rebranding. Even the chips are rebranded. They put a new stamp on it in Singapore and say it's made in Singapore. Actually, it's Chinese.
Rare earths. That's supposed to be the new gold.
Today, 90% of the world's rare earth they control. And that they can weaponize. A lot of that e-waste has rare earth. So what we should do is that take all of that e-waste, convert it to rare earth materials. Tons and tons of that can be created. 30% or 40% of our requirement can be met just from e-waste.